How to convert a 2D to 3D by using Canva. So you can convert your image logo by using Canva. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my app. So let me take one blank page. Okay, I did this social media thumbnails. So okay, and I put something here like graphics. Okay, I put this. Okay, so let me start the process. First we need to give outline of this image. Okay, for this image, because when you give outline, the 3D model will be, looks very perfect. So just select the image, go to the edit, and here search for shadow effects. Okay, in effects we need to go in shadows and click outline, and you can increase decrease the size. So I just keep medium like 8. Color intensity you can choose maximum. Okay, like you can also change that color, outline color. Okay, I just keep black only. Now we have done. Just come back. Now go to the edit. Okay, now just select the image, go to the app, and here search for okay, go to the app, search for 3D maker, and choose any app, but I personally use this one. Okay, now just open it and convert design to 3D. Make a maximum size. You can make transparent background and export it. So here you can see this is a 3D image. You can maximize or minimize the size by scrolling that your mouse button, and you can see this is a 3D view. You can increase the depth. Okay, so this is depth. You can increase decrease. Okay, so I just keep minimum like 2, and here the horizontal and vertical you can move from here. Now just add to the design. This is our design ready. So this is 3D view. You can see you need to move here perfectly like this, and then you need to add. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.